afternoon, I'm Tharni.
Hello, I'm Ananya.
Hi, I'm Varun.
And I'm Krupa. According to Pew Research Center, in 2017, 13% of U.S. teens ages 12 to 17 said they experienced at least one major depressive episode in the past year, up from 8% in 2007. Depression has been called the world's #1 public health problem.
Our app is based off a book by David Burns called Feeling Good, and it talks about a new method called CBT.
But Varun, what is CBT?
CBT stands for Cognitive Behavioral Therapy and is a highly effective, well-established way to treat depression.
That's right, Varun. CBT focuses on identifying, understanding, and changing thinking and behavior patterns that impact the way we feel. The emotions and thoughts a person experiences can affect the way they view situations. They can distort the way we perceive events. Scientists have identified 16 cognitive distortions that negatively impact our perception of reality and our self-esteem.
These distortions can heavily affect people with depression and can cause a vicious cycle of negativity. However, identifying these distortions beforehand can help people look at themselves with an objective view.
Our app is directed towards Generation Z, specifically teenagers. As teenagers, we experience anxiety, depression, and other mental health disorders on a regular basis. Even though this app is mainly for teenagers, anyone from any age can use it.
The purpose of our app is to help individuals learn to control their thoughts, maintain self-confidence, and learn lifelong coping skills. Our app can make therapy efficient, accessible, and free for all.
What's the name of the app, you ask? Eunoia. Know yourself. We use HTML as our primary coding language. HTML is great for beginner coders like us, and it is most commonly used for websites.
Here is a demonstration of our app. Once you open the app, you can choose if you want to write your thoughts or identify another person's distortions. Let's say you want to write your thoughts. Here you can write anything that's on your mind with no fear of judgment, since your response will be anonymous. Once you submit your response, you'll be taken to a page that explains the characteristics of each distortion. After reading, you can click the See My Results button. Our program will identify certain keywords and phrases related to each distortion and highlight them with the color that corresponds to the distortion. Based on your results, you will get personalized messages from our app to help you cope. Now, let's say you want to identify distortions. You'll be taken to the same explanation page where you can study the distortions to take a practice test. You'll be given a sample response where you're asked to select the distortions that apply to the entry. If you pass the practice test, you can click on the Responses tab. Here you can see the entries that other anonymous users have submitted and select the distortions in the same format as the practice test. If you've submitted your own entry, you can see how others perceive your distortion through a pie chart.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, and hope you like our app, Eunoia.
We hope this app can help create a less stigmatized relationship around mental health.